for the fish. That's a nice fish too, dude. We on top of him? Slow down. Hold up. No one want to follow him. Sweet. Got him. Alright, stay on that fish. Stay right on top of him. Stay right on top of him. Wherever he goes, we're going. No high sticky, short reels, short pumps. If that fish comes to the surface, you put that rod down. Jig. 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 That's that Gamma got some hook too, man. That thing's stuck good. He ain't going nowhere. Get photos, jump out of the way of my GoPro. I don't want to video of your back. I'm coming. Up and jumps, you gotta get that rock tip down. Thank God for a chair, huh? Good job, sir. Good job. He's fixing to come up. I want him on the side of the boat when he comes up anyway. Hold on, let me get back. There you go. There he is. Oh, wow. It's on. It's recording.
What, has it got a wide up span or something?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.